Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to add a new collection to your Shopify store. A collection is a way we can group specific products in your shop so that it's easy for customers to browse for what they're searching for. For example, collections can be set up as a way to categorize your products. Let's say you're selling clothing. You can create collections for dresses, jeans, outerwear, etc. You can also create collections for seasonal items. Let's say in this example you sell handmade candles and launch a seasonal line every few months. You can then create a collection for your upcoming seasonal lineup as a way to categorize those items. When creating a collection, we have two different types. First, we have the automated collection. With automated collections, you can set specific conditions that need to be met for a product to then automatically be added to this collection. The other option we have is creating manual collections. This means that you can add each item that appears in the collection manually. I usually prefer having collections set up this way as it gives you the freedom of selecting what item goes where. Now let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Products, select Collections, and then select Create Collection. In this new page, we will go ahead and create our new collection. Here, we will cover each section, adding a title, description, selecting what type of collection we are creating, availability, and uploading the collection image. Let's first start with creating an automated collection so we can go over the different conditions available for this format. In the title field, you will enter the name of your collection. I'm calling it Gifts Under $50. Next, you can include a description of the collection. This is optional, but I would suggest including a short description as it can be beneficial for your shop's SEO. Depending on the theme that you're using, this will appear under the collection's name within the shop. In the collection availability area, select where you want this collection to be featured. Right now in the shop, we only have online store, but you might see other options such as POS, Pinterest, or Facebook here. You can also select schedule availability. If you want to schedule the day your collection appears in your shop, that way you can have your collections prepared ahead of time. For the collection image section, you can drag and drop a photo that will be used within the collection page of your shop. If you have collections featured on your homepage, you will also see this image here. Now let's work on the collection type settings. If you want to create an automated collection, make sure that option is selected. First, we have to create the different conditions we want met. This is how Shopify will know how to sort the items in this collection. We have the option of including up to 60 different conditions. In the Products Must Match section, you can choose that all conditions must be met or that any condition must be met. Let's say we have two conditions. When you select all conditions, this means that condition 1 and condition 2 must apply to the product. With any condition setting, this means that the product needs to meet either condition 1 or condition 2. As our first example will only have one condition, we can keep all conditions selected. Select the first drop-down option within the conditions section. Here you can see all the different product options available. As we only want to feature products that are under $50, we will select product price, and now we'll select the condition for the price, which in this case will be is less than. And in the third box, we will enter $50.01. With these settings, we are telling Shopify we only want products that are $50 or under to appear in this collection. Save your settings so we can see what items are being added, and then we can go back and edit the condition. With our current settings, we can see that 6 products were added to the collection. But let's add another condition. Let's say we only want dresses that are under $50 to appear in this collection. Click on Add Another Condition. In the shop, I have all the dresses tagged, so we'll select Product Tag. Select is equal to, then type the tag, which in this case is dress. Save your settings and scroll back down to the product section. Here you'll see the updated list is only featuring dresses that are under $50. When you are done setting up your collection, make sure to select how you want the products to be sorted. Within the products box, you will see the sort dropdown. The default option will be best selling, but you can select any of these options available. I personally like to select newest, so it shows the new products first. And remember to scroll down to the search engine listing preview. Here you will see how your collection will appear in search results. Make sure that your title, URL, and description are SEO friendly. To make any changes, you can click on Edit Website SEO. Now let's make a new automated collection where you can use the any condition option instead. For this collection, we want to feature all of our dresses and tops. In the condition section, we'll select any condition as we want to feature products that are either dresses or tops. Select product tag is equal to and enter the tag. Do the same for the second condition. Save your changes and you should see your updated product list. Now let's create a manual collection. As previously mentioned, with manual collections, you have the option of adding products to each collection without having to set conditions. This means that when you create a product, you will then add it to the collection. You can always add or remove products within a manual collection at any point. To create a manual collection, you will follow the same steps. Select Create Collection and fill out all the fields. When you get to the collection type section, select Manual. Now you will just save your settings. Remember to go back and select the Sort drop-down for this new collection. You now have the option of adding products directly from this page by typing the product name in the search box. Select the items you want to include. To remove an item from this page, you can just click on the X. Keep in mind that this does not delete the product, it just removes it from this collection. Now that you know how to create new collections, we wanted to show you how to delete them. When a collection is deleted, it will be removed from the shop, but the products will still be available on your main shop page or any other collection that they're in. Remember to always redirect your deleted collections to avoid broken URLs and 404 errors. You can watch our How to Create a URL Redirect in Shopify video to learn how to do this. Click on the collection you want to delete, scroll down and select Delete Collection. Confirm that you're deleting this collection. Once deleted, it will no longer come up in your shop. Thanks for watching our Shopify how-to video. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.